I met a gypsy.
Off to Donnybrook.
I'm gonna put on my fucking hater shades, block out all the haters, aka Ben Townley. We are at Adam RIEMANN'S mythical moto lodge.
Hi there.
Hi. Oh, he's got the stand-up technique going on.
Stands, look at him.
Funny how this came about, because I was just looking for little spots to shoot obstacles in the early days when I first got the place.
I remember watching the video of
Husky
you first
videos
getting
and that. I
it.
thought, oh, yeah, I'll drop off that rock and do all that.
First of all, that's a big fucking tree.
This was the rough stone, you know. Basically, at some point in time, it's rolled out of the forest, and it was just here on its own. None of this was here. And then one day I thought, well, it's probably a bit big on its own to just huck. So I put a little log here, just hit it, and then off I went. Look what.
And then there you go.
The rest just sort of happened.
If you were to hit this one, which line would you take?
Jump into that. Yeah, so this one sends you quite high.
This.
And you're basically sort of landing on the logs and then got a coat.
You've found your spirit dirt.
I have, mate, and
Taste is talking about spiritual dirt now.
Yeah, we were really on one, eh?
when I...
Jase is, he's not even that stoned, eh?
It's funny how it came.
Backpack, camera gear, some stuff. Moto gear. Like no idea. No adventure gear, nothing. Just Fox helmets, goggles, shift jersey.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're still filming.
Yeah.
You can't get away from it.
You're right
This
into
is how it
this
goes.
video shit, aren't you, mate? Nah, awesome. Thanks for coming, mate. That
appreciate
3
it.
hours just went, didn't it?
It's insane, mate. Once
Thanks
again,
again.
thank you so
Yeah,
much.
epic. Safe travels.
Dinner is served.
Yeah, so this Donnybrook long neck turtle, it's a delicacy here, so we can start here for appetizers.
Oh, is that a bit of tri-tip?
Don't know what it is, it's pork.
Chef Sheeny.
Chef Sheeny, look at him go.
Hey,
Mate,
What an absolute lord.
what can't you do?
skateboard.
Triple.
But what we have here is simple baked apple. My favourite, because I can do a whole tray of them, so I've got desserts for 3 days. They're literally an apple, I core it, ram it with dates in the middle, and a dob of butter on top. Maybe a little bit of water in the tray when I cook it, just to
So what's happened to these ones here?
Stop cook. That one.
Yeah, right. Nice and clutch.
Classic picking platform.
Yeah.
There's three tiers to it, and so they all can go up and down, and the platforms stretch out sideways as well.
This shed my brother built back in the day. An old water level and all sorts, so it was pretty handy. All the back when they used to.
Fuck, how's this thing? Yeah, some of them trophies are fucking like big and heavy and gnarly, aren't they?
Sunsets.
Beautiful.
It is just. Oops.
That's some boots.
Yeah.
Had them out to dry, now they're really wet again.
One year we got 700 bins, so we had like 12 or 13 pickers here, picking flat out, and I was driving the tractor around, moving the bins for them and helping them out. And it was 50, over like this one, 50 or 60 bins a day. Big red or red. Yeah, they're all ready now.
Canoes.
You can have all kinds of apple. You can have baked apple, fried apple, apple salad, apple strudel, apple pie, apple crumble. Right. Ricky time.
I'll take Jason one back.
So because that's 2 years, I think it's actually...
Real. We're now on the way to Manji. Pretty fucking late, to be honest. Probably gonna get like a lap in. pretty standard for us to be dragging the chain heavily.
We are at Manjimup. We have arrived. Here we are.
No, we haven't.
No, we haven't. We're getting kicked out already. We've been here fucking 10 seconds. Wrong entrance. Manjimup 15,000. Here we fucking are, boys and girls. We're not even going to miss a practice.
How can you be late for a race that you drove 5 days to get to? Yeah, we're good.
Give us a rundown.
Mate, that truck's no joke. Like, for real. I haven't been fifth gear flat on that bike in a while.
Oh, hey, you know what? Never been better. Never been better, mate. Just out here embracing the Manji life at this point in time. Yeah. Track, one thing, fast. Very fucking fast. Another reminder. Fucking, I've got the Rona. Shit. What is doing?
Don't know, I reckon they're probably going to put me in your class, so I reckon I'm too fast for them.
Yeah.
Are you loving it?
Pretty gnarly.
It's gnarly, yeah.
I'm pretty scared.
Sam, you are my hero, Sam. Sam, hold it. Has everyone told you that you're my hero?
You've told me a lot of times.
I'm going to tell you several
really
times.
fucking like it.
I was just on the phone to Goose. DaCosta.
What are you up to, Sammy?
I actually don't know what I'm up to, but Jace knows what he's up to, and that's the main thing.
What are you up to, Jace? Oh, we're just tying up the headstand a bit, eh?
So I don't get any head shake.
Oh, that's bad.
For the blistering fast speeds that I'm doing.
Yeah.
Oh, a bit of last minute bike prep, eh?
Before third practice, or?
Yeah, I got a few fairly loose spokes here, eh? And I also have one very missing spoke.
Send it.
Out here, having a dig, getting fat root. Pretty wild.
I had no real good need for them sleight of hand tricks, so I ignored my good intention. Called that number anyway. Said she could do Sister Squeeze, Dr. Juice, Sister Squeeze.
I was just like, I'm not doing anything, I'm going to go ride. Sorry, we'll figure it out later.
Are you guys going to go?
Bit of chicken scratch, you know, make me swag spot, get rid of all the rocks. You don't want one of these little buggers in your back all night. That's a surefire way to get last in bets. How good?
Where are we going?
We were just happy doing manies there for a bit.
Taking out the territory.
Cheese or beef pie?
Oh, we're back on the pies, boys. Yay!
Let's go. Oh no.
They're very hot.
And, they're talking to us on Instagram and whatever, and we sort of threw out this idea. It's been a bit of a bucket list thing, I guess, for me. Threw out the idea on the podcast. Sammy's always down to do dumb shit.
Now, I haven't actually spotted him out here in the crowd, but I'm not too familiar with the faces. Jay Lamb here. Here's Todd Waters and Luke Clout. Come on, guys.
The turf is here!
Number one, baby!
Number one in your heart, Clout's number one on the track.
It's great to see you back here. Last time we saw you was back in 2019.
Heart rate peaking.
Won the shootout.
Look at that. Rocky Road.
Don't fuck with Ronan's bickies.
He loves his sweets. Don't touch
G'day, mate.
G'day, mate.
Satisfaction guaranteed. For that you gotta pay. She said she'd fix my body in that old-fashioned way. She brought them arms around me, squeezed me till I popped. She said she'd keep it coming till she heard me holler stop.
Let's go. What's going
They
on
all
there?
tried me to tried to stop me.
Yeah, I'm trying to stop you. I don't deserve
Are you
that.
superstitious?
Hey, no, I'm just not worth it. See, this is the service in WA. And then look at that. Like, this is why you come west, eh? Oh, that feels good. I don't know what any of this shit does, eh? Is it two of the same?
JASE,
Yeah.
do you know what you're doing?
No. I definitely will not win. I don't even need numbers. I could honestly put on that high vis and be a sweep. Roping in locals to help me with my bike prep. As you can see, we've freshly installed some big Hua handguards. Also, first bike since I was about 17 that's going to have a start button. Pretty excited about that. Yeah, so it is now Saturday night. We kind of saved bike prep last minute, to be honest, but we actually enlisted the help of some friendly WA locals, and the handguards are on, the whole shot device is on, the new chain is on. We've just lengthened everything. We're set up to go fast tomorrow, and yeah, pretty excited, to be honest. The level of riding from the juniors was insane. There's a couple of locals that rip, and yeah, we're a couple of strugglers getting ready to struggle tomorrow. Just try and survive, get through, and get through our first Manjimup 15,000.
Sick.
If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. And to listen to the full 3-hour podcast, search Gypsy Tales in your favorite podcast platform or click the link in the description below. Gypsy Gang.